I'm Amy Davis with Douglas Elliman, and I'm excited to show you this incredible home located in beautiful Hancock Park. With over 8,200 square feet, this home features 4 bedrooms and 5 baths. So join me as we take a rare glimpse into this meticulously preserved, austere yet contemporary home. As you enter the rotunda, your breath will be taken away by its dramatic 30-foot ceilings, hand-carved crown moldings, and handcrafted cherubs. Well, Ralph Chandler, heir to the Los Angeles Times fortune, commissioned famed architect Wallace Neff to design this home in 1960. Neff is credited for designing homes for some of Hollywood's elite like Charlie Chaplin, Cary Grant, and Mary Pickford. I'm fairly certain they also dined in this exquisite dining room, so come with me. Everything in this room is original, from its herringbone wood floors to one-of-a-kind hand-painted chinoiserie wallpaper to the meticulously carved pediments above the doors. I'm fairly certain the Chandler family threw some incredible dinner parties with dignitaries and celebrities, and can you imagine if these walls could talk? Speaking of dining, let's see where all the meals are prepared in the exquisitely appointed kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is the angulated wall with hand-painted white tiles, making it easy to flow through the kitchen into the den and family room. Look at this imported stove from France with its 6 burners, bronze accents, and ample island space. What's not to love about this stove? This museum-like room is the perfect balance between formal and comfortable. Your eyes are instantly drawn to the intricately carved marble fireplace that serves as the centerpiece of the room. The warmth of the fireplace is perfect for sipping an evening aperitif or cozying up to a good book. As you look around the room, you'll notice these 4 antique mirrors that seamlessly complement the hand-carved crown moldings throughout the room. One of my favorite things about this room is the ornate detail in the imported door handles and window fixtures from Paris. After all, this home was inspired by Louis XV's chateau in France. And although downstairs is all about fine dining and entertaining, let's go upstairs to unwind and relax. The primary suite is a respite of warmth with natural tones throughout, providing a soothing backdrop to the room's comfort. I can only imagine what a comfortable night of sleep I would have in an amazing room like this. You are taken back in time to a different era by the Versailles-inspired marble fireplace, antique French doors, and adjacent to this room is an incredible walk-in closet that leads you to a spa-like bathroom. Just look at this incredible marble throughout this bathroom. The oversized shower, freestanding tub, and natural light flowing in. One of my favorite rooms in this house is the library, with its rich green-toned wood paneling throughout the room, classic wet bar, to its dramatic balcony with views of the Wilshire Country Club. One step out into this veranda and you are in a completely different world. The vantage from the greens is like none other, with the dramatic columns, lush landscaping, and dazzling octagonal pool. This home is sure to be the envy of all golfers. Thank you so much for joining me for this tour of this incredible home. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I did.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?